So in this video, you'll learn how to remove apps from deep sleep on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if your apps haven't been used for a certain amount of time, your Samsung phone normally puts them in deep sleep. This means that you'll receive no notifications and the app will stop draining any charge while it's running in the background. However, sometimes you do want to remove apps from deep sleep, and I'll be showing you how to do so. Now you can start by navigating to settings, and then you just want to scroll and select the option battery. From battery, tap on background usage limits, and then simply select deep sleeping apps. From here, you can see a list of all apps that are currently in deep sleep. In order for you to remove an app, you're going to just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select remove. From here, you're then going to choose the app or apps that you want to remove from deep sleep. And once you've made your choices, you can just tap on remove and they'll be removed from deep sleep. Now you'll start receiving notifications as well as they'll also be able to run in the background. Alternatively, you can always choose to just launch the app. So just find an app that's in deep sleep and then just tap on it to launch it. And you can now start using the app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that is how you can remove apps from deep sleep on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions or comments about this process, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.